everyone, come on. Let's go to watch movie. This is the shopping mall. Where are we going now? We are going to a mall, but we can watch movie one, okay? Watch movie in the cinema and eat popcorn and drinks. Okay, everyone? Let's go now before the movie starts. See?
What is this?
This is a passport. See? Okay, come on. See, every place are very beautiful. Come on. This is Moana. See? This is Maui, Moana, chicken, coconut. This is the way to eat popcorn. This is Kaka. Today we are going to bring Kaka to movie today. So this shop called Moana 2. We are going to watch that. Good morning! Yeah. Follow me. Bye-bye, what's up? See? Here! A popcorn machine.
What is this?
See?
Huh?
A popcorn machine.
Nut? No, this is conceit. Okay. So, apa ikut a machine for?
Nuggets.
Yes, this is.
I want to try. Can I try?
Everyone can try. Don't worry.
I'm trying.
Okay. All right. Don't worry. Have for everyone.
Yeah, passport. What's up?
The eyes. You just put in and then.
Go.
I'm saying apology first. You only have a few of the effect only. Alright?
Hey, you sure? Sweet cold. Mama. Yes, I have fun. This is Simba, Snow White. Come everyone, I'll show you. Then I put me. Up. Okay, I got it.
Okay, everyone.
The thing. This one, you can take this or not. Playground. Money will take a shoes or not. Coming, babe! Bye! Whee! Hello everyone. Today we are in a cinema and the playground and we watch Moana. Moana 2. Come on guys, let's go! The movie going to start. Bye. I love you. you must search for my name, Aria. Bye bye.